Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing some large knotless braids. Well, my definition of large. Let me know in the comment section what size do you consider these braids to be, in your opinion. I'm going to be braiding my older sister's hair, and she wanted something that was not going to take a really long time, so we agreed on these. I also wanted to add a pop of color and decided to do a little peekaboo using burgundy. I did a total of 9 burgundy braids, 4 braids at the nape and 5 braids on the second row. So now I'm just tucking her natural hair behind the burgundy braiding hair, and I'm keeping a firm grip and also adding hair when necessary. My sister usually wears her braids up in a ponytail almost all of the time, so to avoid making the braids super heavy, I'm adding less of the braiding hair. After completing my first 2 burgundy rows, I then started on the third row using black braiding hair. And I'm using Easy Braid pre-stretched 52-inch braiding hair in the color 1B. I already pre-parted my rows, so the only thing I had to do was clean up my parts and add braiding gel. So because these braids are on the larger side, I added braiding gel in between as well as all the way around the section that's about to be braided. I then got a firm grip of the hair, split the section into 3 even parts, and proceeded to add the pieces of braiding hair into the braid. And also, if you're interested, I have a full knotless braid tutorial for beginners on my channel. I'll link it below so you can check it out. And as usual, I'm using my Pure Au Natural Neat Braiding Gel, and I continue with the brick layering pattern so the braids fall in between each other. I'm now at the top of her head. I have 2 rows left, so I'm standing at the front to get my part as centered as possible. I'm going to do a total of 8 braids, 4 on each side. First, I comb through my section thoroughly, ensuring that it's fully detangled. I apply braiding gel on the inside as well as all the way around the perimeter. Then I start my braid off by braiding or doing half of a braid before adding my first piece of braiding hair. Then I do a complete braid, securing that first piece I just added. I then continue with this pattern until I get to my desired size. Then I continue braiding all the way down and tie a knot at the end of the braid or wherever I want that braid to stop. And I'm placing my hands or my fingers as close to her scalp as possible so that my braids are not loose at the base of the braid. And I continue to keep my grip firm and my braid tight. And now we're all finished, so I'm going to be doing the finishing touches. And of course, she wanted her hair in a ponytail with a donut bun at the end. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.